Welcome to the Decision Support Informatics Heat Mapping System as part of the Spatial Visualization Software Suite. To navigate to the application, select Spatial Visualization and move down to Heat Mapping. The Heat Mapping application will allow our users to explore spending magnitude in each of the African Feed the Future countries. In each of the countries, users can explore thematic data which is obtained from adata.org. To begin, simply move down to the drop-down menu and select a country. We'll use Ethiopia for the demo. If you want additional text help, click on the Help button. If not, launch the map. You'll be greeted with a map of the country you selected. Each of the black dots represents one or more aid projects in each location. The background colors are representing the magnitude of spending. If we select the legend, we can see how the spending ranges from low in the blues to high in the reds. The map will draw these colors based on what can be seen in the window and will automatically readjust the densities based on what you're looking at. So as you zoom and pan, the densities will change. Let's go back to the original zoom and explore the functionality. If you'd like a different base map, select on the second tab, Switch Base Map, and choose one of the many below. I'll go with the dark gray canvas. The true power of this application lies not only in showing where data points are on the map, but showing how much money is being spent. We can see dense spending in the center of the country and less spending as we move out. However, this is including all spending categories. If we move up to Choose Maps, we can select different themes. Perhaps instead of all projects, which is the default, I'd like to look at the heat map on all agricultural projects. We can see a shift immediately from what we had before. This is showing us where the money is being spent on agriculture compared to all of the other projects. We can further break this down by comparing other things. Instead of all projects, I'd like to see where the agricultural spending compares to the transportation and water projects. By selecting these thematic data, I can now go back to the map and look at where the spending is and where it overlaps. Here we can see several dense areas in agriculture spending with no water spending nor transportation spending, yet some where they overlap. These types of observations can allow us to see where money may be better spent and help guide decision making. Instead of comparing different themes, we can also compare the same one. Let's turn off all of our projects and select energy. Now we can see all of the energy projects in Ethiopia and look at the heat map distribution. We can click on any of the dots as well for some further breakdowns. This may help in guiding budgeting to each of the projects and also identifying areas which are underutilized or underserved.